Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of the hotel is Avid Hotel here in Tijuana, Mexico. Okay, all right. We're gonna start off with the evacuation plan. I think this is the third floor. Everything modern, even the way you open the door with a key card, just like this. Okay, your doorstop. Do not disturb. So now the peephole is a bit low. Oh, excuse me. This is for the child. Excuse me. That's for the child. And I guess this is for the adult. Okay. I think that's a smart design. One for someone who's short or a child, and one for an adult. All right, moving on. Okay, so this is the bathroom. You have a square mirror. Pace. So we have the sink, clean, nice and clean. I just washed my hands, so pardon that. We have tissue. We have Dove hand wash and body lotion. Ample plugs. Okay, we have a hair dryer, hand towel, and a few towels underneath. Very modern, in my opinion. You have the toilet. Now, this particular room, I think this is catering for the disabled or someone who has limited mobility. But nevertheless, it's still a good and nice bathroom. Check out the backsplash, all white. And you know how I do it. You know what I love. You know what I like. Standalone shower. Okay. Let me show you. And that's how it looks with the shower curtain. All right. This is when the door closes. You have your towel where you could hang a towel, another one. Pretty spacious for a bathroom. Pretty spacious. Clean, okay, clean. Okay, now, just want to point out this full-size mirror. Pace. But check out these modern design, these hooks. Okay, check out my DOSOS fanny pack. It's still available on the website www.dosos.clothing. More hangers here for the hand towel. And I don't know this, but seems like a cushion. You could just put whatever you want, maybe a bag, something. Two shelves, ample space. To my other side here, you have your mini closet. Look at this. See how they stored the ironing board? Okay. Very modern. Right down below is your safe, ample space, and your steam iron. Doesn't open. Oh, somebody wrote some hearts. Whoever did it, very creative. Anyhow, these hooks, it came with about 4 hangers. All right. This is my DOSOS velour jacket, custom made with custom embroidery. Check out my brand, my website, www.dosos.clothing. Nice, 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 nice closet. Very modern. On the other side, you have 2 more shelves. Okay, you could put your shoes, whatever you want. Now, to the entertainment section, you have a decent size flat screen TV. You have a lamp. One thing is missing though, a chair. What happened to the chair? No chair, y'all. Okay. But nevertheless, you have a working space. You could treat it as a working space. Just maybe ask for a chair. But, I don't need the chair, so it's all good. You have your waste basket there. Now, I know what you're thinking. The view, there's no view, okay? But that's fine. That's fine. A-okay with me. As long it's quiet, as long it's peaceful, clean, no moldy smell, friendly staff. What else can you ask for? And decent, fair, nightly rate. All right. But check this out. Check this out, right? Boom. Check out the window. Boom. Oh, what am I doing? Look at that. Look at that. Boom. Yeah. Shall we stop it? Let it stop. I'm gonna let it stop on its own. Alright, and then to raise it up, I guess. There you go. How cool is that? Very, very modern. Alright, and then you press this again to stop it. This button. Oh, there's more. Wait, there's more. You press down here, and the what you call this blackout curtain comes down. Okay, very modern. I like it. To raise it up, just push this right here. Comes up. So as of now, I'm not gonna leave the blackout curtain down. I want the sun. Okay, but we're just gonna put this thing down. Okay, that's so cool. That's cool. That's cool. All right, let's get to the nitty gritty, the bed. So I avail for a king size bed, and that is the king size bed. Okay. Now we have an alarm system here, one night light or lamp, another lamp. What's this light for? Oh, okay. That's for outside. That's for the another lamp, a phone to call the receptionist. I like this embroidery thing here. What it says here. Suave. Soft. Okay. Okay, this is on the other side. All right. You have your smoke alarm, your sprinkler system, all right, and your fire notification just in case. So this is equipped with safety feature. And now the bed test. Okay, it feels like this is a memory foam bed. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. My final thoughts. Before I start, I'm standing up because there's no chair. Go figure. Let me start the check-in process. Check-in process was a breeze. Gentleman in the front desk, courteous, professional, very informative, no complaints at all. Um, Gave me the key card, and I'm up in the room. Okay. Um, what else? I have no complaint. Everything seems modern. Everything here seems new, and no complaints. The elevator. To access the elevator, you must use your proximity card or your key card, and that's it. No complaint. It comes with free breakfast and all day complimentary water and coffee. So that's a plus. That's a plus. That's a plus. And that's it. I have no complaints. I would say this is good thus far, but yet I'm gonna let y'all know tomorrow about breakfast and how the night went. And there you go. Now, once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello, world. Bye, world. Peace.